Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the iBlinds Zwave window blind motor. This is a retrofit kit for your existing blinds.
And iBlinds sent us this for the review.
So what this is, it's a motor that you can install up in the headrail of your blinds, and it allows you to open them, like basically, what do they call it?
Tilt them.
Tilt them.
Not open them.
So it doesn't make them go up and down because they're pretty heavy.
Just tilts the slats. And it comes with everything you need, all right? So they got a little power brick here. You might have to have that along with the charging cable. And it comes with a motor and also with a little base unit that fits underneath the motor. So if you need a little more height in the headrail, that comes with it. The comes with a little switch and a charging port, so you can actually mount this inside your blinds and actually charge the thing if they run out of battery, which they claim is, I don't know, 4 to 6 months, something along those lines.
There's the battery.
There's the battery. And then they give you these spindles, I guess you'd call them, and basically there's a different pattern in each one, including the third one, which is already installed in the unit, so that depending on the type of tilt rod you have inside your blinds, you can fit it to it. You just have to remove this and swap it for that. And of course the directions on how to do it and the Zwave QR code for easy installation.
So you will need a separate Zwave hub to let you control them, but once you get them set up and paired to your Zwave hub, you can set up all kinds of really cool automations with your blinds.
And something else to keep in mind is this kit here doesn't come with a solar panel, but you can buy an optional solar panel, which is great because if you do that, then theoretically you don't have to do this. In other words, you don't have to charge them. It'll trickle charge the battery right here by having the solar panel.
Yeah, we really love the solar panel option. So Mark's going to go off and install these, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.